Today, I will be demonstrating this PLC capture and spin with orientation as well as pre-orientation. We're gonna go ahead and press this blue arrow right here to start. You will then be presented 3 toggle switches. They are in the off position. In the off position, the system will be treating this as a standard wrap. So the capture will be off. You will be using your standard product sensor and your pre-orientation will be off. As soon as you turn on your capture, it will say capture on. In this stage, only the capture solenoid will activate. In this setup, you will be capturing and labeling. You will not be orientating and you will not be pre-orientating. So you will be capturing and detecting with the product detector. If you turn on the second toggle switch, now you are capturing and you are orientating the label to the product. The third toggle switch we will be activating is called pre-orientation. When pre-orientation is selected, you will now have the capability of pre-orientating your product before it goes into the capture and spin with orientation. This would increase your product per minute and productivity. We're gonna go ahead and enter into the next setup. Here you will see capture setup and pre-orientation setup. Let's start with capture. Now, the capture delay is set to 0.6 of a second, meaning that as soon as the product is introduced by the product sensor, you're gonna go ahead and delay that signal by 0.6 of a second. Then it will activate. You will now hold for 2 seconds. Here is a manual demonstration of this. The capture cylinder will activate. Here you have a tamp extend signal. And what you're really waiting for is the orientation to kick in. I will be bypassing that with my hand now. That is the end of cycle. So the first signal that will be introduced is your capture product. This is your standard product sensor. Then the tamp extends, and I was waiting for the orientation signal. And that will complete your capture setup in a manual form. Let's go ahead and introduce the pre-orientation setup now. This is going to be the same setup. You're going to go ahead and predetermine when you want your release to activate. You will have a delay of about 1 second. After the second, the release cylinder will then activate. You will then select your release hold. How long do you want this to hold? We're gonna go ahead and put another second. Now that these two are set, it will then go ahead and release at a second, turning off the release cycle. Thanks for watching.